Yo, what is up, guys? Bringing you a new video. So today I'm gonna go over my trade on PLIN. So today is September 16th of 2020. It's a Wednesday, and so looking at PLIN, so my thesis was on this trade was it would be a morning panic and break its pre-market high at 109, and so I drew some trend lines right here at 92 and 89, and then we do get this nice support zone right here at 87, and then 89 was my risk level, and I wanted to buy around here at 92. And so this morning it opens up at 97, and then it goes high as 1.02, and then we get panic right here all the way to the low of 91, and then I do place a trade right there at 92 at 600 shares, and so my risk level again was at 89, and I wrote it down on my notebook, and my reward was past pre-market high. Again, that would breaking that point, and that would be my reward. And so immediately it breaks my my price level risk, and so I kept on holding and hoping, and I didn't want to accept that and go out with a small loss, but I wanted to hold and hope, and that's what I did. And so with that, I pay the lessons. And so the stock kept on dropping, and I get out a little bit, 37 shares at 85, and I was pretty pissed that I didn't get filled fully, but again, it was my fault because I didn't get out at my initial risk, which was at 89. And so it kept on dropping, and it didn't want to get filled, and so I couldn't bear holding it anymore, and I get out at the rest. I executed the rest of the shares at 8265009, and I lost on this trade 55 and 23 cents. So how did I do on the trade? I was not disciplined, and I didn't get out when I planned on. I could have lost about $7 to $10, but tripled it and wanted to risk disaster. So again, I wrote down on my notebook that I would get out at 89, and that's what I didn't do, and I didn't want to accept that, and I paid the market. And so it became a greater lesson, and I risked much more disaster. But the stock didn't even have no upside at all. All morning it was just downtrending, and then we get some sideways action, and then again just keeps on failing down. Just staying around the like high 70s ish. But yeah, that was PLIN. So what can I have done better? I should have gotten out at my risk level, but was not reacting to the market. Wanted to make money instead of reacting to the market. Right when it hit my risk level, I should have gotten out. Again, I was risking that 89, and then also this 87. I'm like, okay, right when it hit this, I'm like, okay, this is when it's gonna bounce up. And this was when I was hoping, and that's when you have a risk in mind, you already want to get out of that, because you're already hoping now. You're gambling now, and so you don't want to gamble. You want to have that plan in mind. And so I did have a plan in mind, and I did not stick to it. I kept on holding and hoping, and so I had to pay the market. because I was not disciplined on sticking to my risk level. And what do I want to do better on my next trade? Again, get out at my risk level. Don't risk more because it will set you back. Stick to the plan. You're not always going to be right, but you can cut your losses immediately. So right there, I could have clicked the button and got out. Easy as that, but I was hoping it would go up, and I had that decision to get out, and I did not get out. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some value out of this. Yeah, I'll have another video up probably by next week. And so if you did like the video, comment down below, like the video, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.